Alright guys, I'm back at Campbell. I'm back at these buttons here at Stone Avenue and Limberlost Drive.
Wait. Stone Avenue.
Whoa!
Walk sign is on to cross Stone Avenue.
That is new. That is weird. But I also have some more good news. This button's been tilted a little bit, so now it's actually straight.
Wait to cross.
But Jesus, is this pole shaky.
Wait.
But also look at this up here. They replaced both these signals here. Stone, and now, what's this gonna say?
Limberlost.
Whoa!
Walk sign is on to cross Limberlost.
That is shaky and scary.